Chapter 18, Part 4, Translation. De même que ce mois est très stressant, de même le mois prochain sera très calme. So here we have de même que and de même. So it's going to be just as this month is very stressful, so present tense, de même in the same way or so that next month sera très calme will be very calm. So that'll be in the future tense. So just as this month is quite stressful, so next month will be very calm. So hopefully that will be the case for you if you are stressed out by studying French right now. Hopefully next month things will be better. Maintenant qu'on a appris tous les temps du verbe, tout devient plus facile. So here we have maintenant que. Now that we have learned all the verb tenses, les temps du verbe are the verb tenses, and we can translate on as we in this because we've covered all of the verb tenses. Tout devient plus facile. Everything becomes easier. Il a écrit de sorte que tout le monde peut le lire. So he writes de sorte que in a way that tout le monde peut le lire. He writes in a way that everyone can read it. So apparently he wasn't a doctor. Dès que l'examen sera fini, je commencerai l'allemand. So here we've got dès que, meaning as soon as. L'examen sera fini. So that literally is, as soon as the exam will be finished, I will begin German. And so we have this will be finished because here we've got the future tense and the exam has to be finished before I forget. So this is the past of the future, the helping verbs in the future in a composed tense, indicating that this has to happen before the main future action here. So as soon as this exam is over, I will start German. So in English, we just put in the present tense, even though the exam is not over yet and it's not ending now, it's in the future. We say as soon as the exam is over, I will start German.